Let's make a fun and spooky treat. We're starting off with our glass dipped in our marshmallow cream. Once we have the rim covered in marshmallow, we're going to bring it over to our spooky sprinkles. I got these cute sprinkles from Amazon, and we're going to pour out our entire jar of sprinkles on our little dish. And then, of course, we're going to dip our marshmallow right into the sprinkles so they stick to the rim of our glass. Once our marshmallow is fully coated in sprinkles, we're going to go ahead and put that to the side and grab the rest of our glasses because, of course, we are sharing with our friends. I went ahead and made up 4 glasses, and now it's time for the fun part. I am bringing in some Tillamook vanilla bean ice cream, and we're going to add a couple scoops right into our glasses, just like so. This is going to be so fun for a kid's Halloween party or whatever you want. Now I found this delicious Beetlejuice Fanta Haunted Apple Soda. Yes, this is a limited edition and I had to use it for this recipe. Look how spooky and delicious this is. It's an ice cream float, but with a fun apple flavor and some cute decorations. Enjoy and happy haunting! You need to try this fun setup for your next Halloween party. I found this super cute cauldron set on Amazon and I filled them up with my sliced apples. I used Honeycrisp and Granny Smith. Then I'm grabbing my tray for 3 bowls. I have some caramel dip, I have some melted chocolate, and then I have some melted peanut butter as my dip options. Now for some extras, I have some Halloween sprinkles, I have some mini chocolate chips, I have peanuts, and then of course we got to add some mini M&Ms, some Heath chips, and then some regular sprinkles. Everyone gets what they want. Put your skewers on the side of your setup, and then everyone can grab a skewer, grab an apple, dip it in either the chocolate, caramel, peanut butter, and then pick their favorite topping to go with it. So good. Enjoy. I added some unshelled pistachios to my mini cauldrons. I'm next coming in with a ghost toothpick and I'm putting some Colby Jack, a blueberry, and some white cheddar on my ghost toothpick. We're going to place that right inside the cauldron with our pistachios, just like so. This is going to be so cute for Halloween. Everyone will love this. Next, I'm coming in with a pumpkin toothpick, and for this one, we are going to add a baby dill. And then I'm going to grab my salami and I'm going to fold it twice, and then it'll be perfect size to go on the toothpick with our baby dill. Next, I'm adding a garlic olive, and then this toothpick is being placed right next to our ghost in our cauldron. How cute is that? Once we have all of our pickle pumpkin toothpicks in there, I'm adding some, little breadsticks in there because you need some carbs for these cute little charcuterie cups. Perfect for Halloween, just like so. Once all of our cauldrons get their breadsticks in there, this cute spooky appetizer is ready for any Halloween party this season. Such a fun way to serve an appetizer that everyone will love. Enjoy.